Aloha mai kako. My name is Rachel and I'm the instruction librarian here at WCC. Today we're talking about library databases. You might be wondering,
what is a database? Can't I just Google it?
Well, by the end of this video, you will know what a database is and why you should use one, how to find the databases on the WCC Library website, and how to choose a database for your research. So let's get into what a library database is. It's an online collection of scholarly articles, books, newspapers, films, and photographs, and much more. Now, why should you use them? Because they're a credible source. Many of the resources you find in databases were created by experts in their field. Adding to that credibility is that many of the resources are peer-reviewed, which means other experts in the field read the article to make sure it matches up with the current science in that field and to suggest revisions. Another reason is free access to most of the articles. When you use a search engine like Google, you may run into paywalls to even view the article. And finally, most of your instructors will require you to use scholarly articles.
But where can we find these databases?
By going to the WCC Library homepage, of course. Once you're at the homepage, go to the Research tab and click Databases. You now have 140 databases at your fingertips. With so many options, here's how to choose the right database for you. I recommend starting with the EBSCO's Academic Search Complete. It is one of our biggest library databases. You can also choose a database by subject. For example, if I'm researching technology and education, I can look for databases related to education or technology. I am going to choose education. As you can see, there are 18 databases with education-related resources. At the top are your best bets, followed by the 18 databases in alphabetical order. And that's all there is to it. You are now ready to use databases like a pro. You know what a database is and why you should use one, how to get to the WCC Library databases, and how to choose databases for your research. Have questions? Contact a librarian via phone, chat, text, or email. We are available to you Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Oh, hoo-hoo. Mahala.